So good morning, I'm down the plot. Haven't been down for a few days, but I have bought myself a new strimmer. I bought myself a DeWalt one because I already have DeWalt tools. So it means I can use the batteries. So I'm going to have a go at strimming back one of the tall grassy plots that haven't been let yet, the little half ones. And I'm going to see how it does. I guess you could say it's a bit of a review. I've played with the strimmer slightly in the back garden and it seemed quite powerful, but here's to having a go at that long meth. So this is what I've got to deal with. It starts thin and then goes wider. We'll see how much of it I get done. Okay, so what did I think of this? It's heavier than my Black & Decker one. The string that comes out is a bit fiddly. I've worked out how to do it when it gets stuck. Battery life, well, I don't have big batteries, but it's okay. It's nothing special. I think the only reason I bought it was because I already had batteries. Otherwise, you might as well go for a cheaper option. But it is probably a bit on the long side for most people, but I'm tall, so I can get away with it because you can't shorten the staff of it, unlike the Black & Decker one. But I've got it now, so I'm going to use it. Despite I don't think the DeWalt strimmer is any better than the cheaper ones, it's still done a reasonable amount. Let me show you. This is what I've got cut down. It was all bindweed and brambles above your waist. So I've got almost half of that plot done. But that's only because I've got 4 batteries.